Salman Khan has recently said sorry for his black buck poaching case. But what has happened after 17 years of the case that the Bhaijan of Bollywood is saying sorry? Salman Khan was currently doing rounds all over the internet for his upcoming movie Radhe. But now recently the actor is on the headlines again, and this time because of all the wrong reasons only. During 1998's black buck poaching case, Salman Khan was also convicted under the Arms Act. The actor was asked to submit the arms license by the court. Salman Khan failed to provide his arms license, which is why he submitted an affidavit to the court. In his affidavit, the actor claimed that he has lost the arms license, which is why he was not able to submit it. And shockingly, the affidavit submitted by the actor was false. The hearing of this was held in a Jodhpur court through video conference. During the hearing, the lawyer of Salman Khan has revealed that they submitted the affidavit mistakenly, as the actor himself submitted his arms license for the renewal process, which is why a case was registered on the actor for misleading the court and delaying the hearing process under the section 340 of CRPC. The lawyer of the actor has added that because of his busy schedule, Salman completely forgot about the renewal process. He demanded the actor deserves to get acquitted in the case, as he informed the court and even filed a police complaint about same. The lawyer claimed that Salman just forgot about the renewal process. He did not want to mislead the court. The judge of the court has held the next hearing of this case soon. Do you think Salman Khan will be acquitted in this case? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.